are building a super monster train station. Look at this mess!
A mess indeed. There are 3 Trackmaster Thomas and Friends train set in this heap. And our task today is to make one big super monster train set. There's a SUPERSTATIon. The interesting thing is about half the set is not here. The other half, you ask? That's a story for another day. There's also the Bridge Lift Thomas and Skip, and the Talking Thomas and Percy train set.
A lot of things.
It's a lot of stuff, right? So let's go ahead and try to build a little track. Let's see if we can work it out, right?
What? Oh, yes.
Yeah, let's try to work it out.
The SUPERSTATIon.
So this is what we came up with. What do you all think? This isn't even all of the tracks. We'll be doing this again really soon, but next time in the backyard where we can really put this set out and have good visuals and good fun. This was all fun for Zizah, and it was great watching him sing these 3 tracks together. So come and join us, have fun with us, will you?
Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next one.